Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay Tay and I'm back with a new video for you guys.
I got on my mind. I can't waste no time. Life is too short. I gotta grind.
So as you guys saw by the title, today I am doing a kind of like a challenge, but it's not really a challenge. I don't know. Anyway, I'm doing my makeup with just 5 products, and I've never really counted how many products I've used before, but I'm gonna try and do as much of my face as possible with just using 5 products. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so for my products that I'm using, first I have my James Charles palette. This is a really big palette and I feel like there's a lot of shades in here that I can use. So we're going to try and use this palette as much as possible. I also have my lip gloss, because you already know you need lip gloss. This is my Broadway Rosehip oil from the beauty supply store. Amazing. I'm going to be using that. I have this lipstick from Color Design. It's in the shade 356 Hit List. I'm going to be using this lipstick. It's like a magenta color. And then I have my mascara. This is from Essence. It's the Get Big Lashes mascara. And then I'm also going to be using my foundation, which is my CATRICE HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. So these are the 5 products that I'm going to be using. Without further ado, let's start. So first I'm going to start off by using my foundation. Just gonna apply it all over my face and use my my blending sponge, beauty blender, whatever it's called, to blend it all out. Alright, so this is what I'm doing for foundation. I'm not ODing, I'm just doing the bare minimum. Now I'm going to use my lipstick as blush. I'm gonna add some lip gloss. For the James Charles palette, I'm gonna use the shade Benny to just fill in my eyebrows. First, I'm just gonna use my finger to just brush them up like that. All right, we are gonna leave our brows like this. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I am going in again with the James Charles palette. I'm taking the shade 10% off, and I'm gonna just put that all over my lid. Great, so now I'm going in with the shade Halloween, and I'm gonna just put that on like the middle part of my lid. Now I'm going in with the shade Spook, and I'm gonna put that on the end of my lid. And I'm going back in with the brush, and I'm just gonna blend. You know what? I'm actually gonna carry the shade Halloween to the front of my eyelids, or like the inner area. Yeah, that looks a lot better. See, you guys, I don't know everything. I'm literally experimenting. Yay, I like it. It's actually pretty cute. All right, now I'm going in with the shade No Beans, and I'm gonna use that to just contour my face. I'm also gonna go in with the shade Benny and use that as well to contour. To make my blush pop just a little bit, I'm gonna also go in with the shade Boutique, and I'm gonna go into the shade Boutique, and I'm gonna use that to just make my blush pop a little bit, like I just said. All right. Now I'm gonna go in with some highlight. I'm taking the shade So Good, and I'm gonna be using that to just highlight my face. All right, and now for mascara, I'm going in with my Essence mascara, and I'm just gonna use that. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other video that I post, and turn that post notification bell on so you're notified. And also feel free to follow me on my social medias and check out what I do from a day-to-day basis, what I'm up to. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know I did. It actually turned out a lot better than I expected. So yeah.
2020, see it clearly. I can't step outside your love, got me real free. That's all God knows.